If your Windows 11 machine is constantly stuck at 100% disk usage, your games will stutter, freeze, or take forever to load. The usual delete temp files advice doesn't cut it. That's like fixing a flat tire with duct tape. Today, we're going deep, disabling secret background services, cutting hidden telemetry, and tuning storage settings Microsoft doesn't want you touching. These are the same optimizations power users use to keep their gaming rigs lightning fast.
Step 1. Disable Storage Service Telemetry. Windows runs a hidden storage service to collect analytics on your drive usage. While meant for diagnostics, it eats I/O bandwidth constantly. Press Win+R, type services.msc. Locate Storage Service StorSvc. Right-click, Properties, Startup Type, Disabled. Click Stop, Apply. You'll still be able to use your drives normally. This just kills the needless monitoring.
Step 2. Disable Windows Search Indexing. Windows Search Indexing might sound harmless, but here's the truth. It's constantly crawling through your files in the background, updating its database so you can search faster. The catch? This process can spike disk usage right in the middle of a match, causing micro-stutters or frame dips. If you're not relying on Windows' built-in search every few minutes, disabling it can free up system resources and keep your drive quiet during gaming. Here's how. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to Windows Search. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Disabled or Manual if you want to turn it on occasionally. Click Stop to immediately halt indexing. By doing this, you're telling Windows, stop poking around my files unless I ask you to. That means no more surprise disk spikes stealing performance during gameplay.
Step 3. Tame SysMain, Balanced Method. SysMain, formerly known as Superfetch, is Windows' attempt to make your apps load faster by preloading them into memory. Sounds great in theory, but in practice, it can hammer your disk at startup and sometimes during gaming sessions, especially on older drives. Instead of nuking SysMain completely, which can make some programs load slower, we'll take the balanced approach. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down and find SysMain in the list. Double-click it, set Startup Type to Manual. Click Stop to halt it immediately. This setting means SysMain will only run when Windows explicitly calls for it rather than firing up automatically every boot. You'll still get some of the faster load times without the constant background disk thrashing. Bonus tip: if you're on a modern NVMe SSD, SysMain's benefits are minimal anyway. Setting it to manual is almost always a win for performance and consistency.
Step 4. Kill Delivery Optimization. By default, Windows 10 and 11 enable a feature called Delivery Optimization. It works a bit like a torrent client. Your PC downloads updates from Microsoft, then quietly uploads parts of them to other PCs on the internet. While this might sound helpful, in reality, it can steal bandwidth, hammer your disk, and spike CPU usage in the background, usually at the worst possible time, like during gaming. Here's how to shut it down. Open Settings, then Windows Update, then Advanced Options. Click Delivery Optimization. Toggle Allow downloads from other PCs to Off. For a more permanent block, press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Find Delivery Optimization in the list, double-click it, set Startup Type to Disabled, and click Stop. This ensures your PC will no longer act as a background update distributor, freeing both your internet connection and your storage from hidden caching tasks. Pro tip: if you're on a metered or slow connection, disabling this can noticeably improve online gaming stability.
Step 5.
High-performance storage mode. Your storage drive, whether it's an HDD or SSD, is constantly juggling read and write operations. By default, Windows uses conservative write settings to protect data in case of power loss. While safe, these defaults can limit throughput and cause small bottlenecks in disk-heavy games or large file transfers. One way to unlock extra performance is by enabling full write caching. Press Win+X to Device Manager. Expand Disk Drives. Right-click your main drive, the one with Windows installed, and select Properties. Go to the Policies tab. Check Enable Write Caching on the device. Optional if you have a UPS, uninterruptible power supply, or don't worry about sudden power loss. You can also uncheck Turn off Windows Write Cache Buffer Flushing. This removes an extra safety step and allows even faster sustained writes.
Step 6. Registry. Reduce storage impact. Even when your PC seems idle, Windows runs background services that quietly hammer your storage, logging performance data, tracing boot behavior, and managing storage telemetry. While these features can help Microsoft optimize Windows, they can also cause tiny but constant I/O spikes that hurt smooth gameplay. Two of the biggest culprits are the storage service and ready boot logging. Disabling them frees up disk bandwidth for your games and reduces background noise. How to do it? Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Services, StorSvc. Double-click Start and set its value to 4, disabled. Next, go to HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Session Manager. Double-click Ready Boot and set it to 0, off. Why it works? StorSvc handles storage optimization tasks that aren't critical for most gamers and can trigger random drive activity. Ready Boot logs boot time performance, but consumes I/O and writes to disk every session. Disabling both stops this background logging and frees up system resources, a small but real win for minimizing storage latency during gaming.
Step 7. Disable connected user experiences and telemetry. Windows constantly runs a background service called Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, also known as DiagTrack. Its job is to collect and send performance, usage, and diagnostic data to Microsoft. While it's meant for improving Windows, it can cause small but steady CPU usage, background disk writes, and occasional network activity. Not great for maintaining consistent frame pacing. Here's how to shut it down. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll to Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Double-click it, set Startup Type to Disabled, then click Stop if it's running. Extra layer, Registry Tweak. Press Win+R, type regedit, press Enter. Go to If the value Allowed Telemetry doesn't exist, right-click in the right pane, Write, New, DWord 32-bit, name it Allowed Telemetry. Set the value to 0, off. Disabling this won't break Windows, but it removes a constant stream of background logging and frees up those tiny bits of CPU, disk, and bandwidth that can matter during long gaming sessions.
Step 8. Disable background disk maintenance. Windows runs automatic maintenance, including disk optimization, even during gameplay. Control Panel, Security and Maintenance. Change maintenance settings. Uncheck Allow Scheduled Maintenance. For SSDs, you can still manually trim via optimized drives.
And that's it. Free up I/O for your games and eliminate those random stutter moments. The beauty of these tweaks is they don't rely on third-party junk. It's just telling Windows to stop doing things you never asked it to do. Apply them all, reboot, and you should see your disk usage graph and task manager drop like a rock. If you want me to make a follow-up covering hidden driver-level disk optimizations, drop a comment.